Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to see your YouTube subscriptions list. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and for whatever reason, you want to go and get your subscription list. Maybe you want to review it. There, you're going to see all the channels you've subscribed to. Over time on YouTube, you've probably watched lots of different creators and decided to subscribe to stay updated with their content. So now you want to see them all. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure you follow this full guide and you'll be able to find everything easily. If you want, you can also start unsubscribing from channels there, or just go through and check them. To get started, there are a few different ways you can do this, so follow the full guide. First, go to the YouTube homepage. Then move to the left side where you'll see a menu. Click on the 3 lines in the top left to expand the side menu. Now find the subscriptions option and click on it. This will take you to your subscription feed, where you'll see videos from the channels you've subscribed to. If you want to see the actual list of channels instead of videos, go to the top right and click on All Subscriptions. Then you'll see the full list. At the top, you can also choose how you want it sorted, like A to Z. After that, you can scroll down and view everything. If you don't see the subscriptions option on the left, you can also type youtube.com/feed/channels in your browser's address bar, and it will take you directly to your subscriptions list. That's it.